Hi everyone, today I will make a sniffing bed for my dogs. It's really good to keep them busy and tire them mentally, so let's get to it. So this is all we're gonna need. One scissor. I bought this blanket at IKEA. It's very cheap. I'm just gonna cut this off and I will use this as parts of the bed. I was thinking a lot what would be the best for the base, and I found this bath mat yesterday in the store, and I think this should be good. It's made of rubber. I can stick it to the floor so it's not gonna move around when they are trying to get the food out of it. Yes, Alex, that's gonna be yours. Okay, now that we cut the whole blanket, I'm gonna cut this into half and then half again, and I think we can still cut this into half, and that's gonna be the perfect size. So we will put at least one, but we will try to put more into one hole, and we just make a knot. I finished the blanket and it still wasn't enough for the mat, so I'm gonna get one or maybe two more and I will continue. So finally it's ready. I really like how it turned out, and once you finish it, you can just check if you want to make it more dense, a bit more difficult for your dogs, or you want to keep it easier. So I kind of wanted it to be this way, so hopefully they will not find all the treats right away. Whenever you are giving any toys or treats to your dogs, it's important to supervise them, especially if it's something new that they haven't tried, just to make sure that it's safe for them. If you try to make one for your dog, please let us know in the comment, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.